Right, guys, in today's video, our objective is to get my ABS light off and my VSA light off, and I am going to do that with installing a new one of these right here, guys. It's a wheel speed sensor. Got both of these on eBay. I'm pretty sure they're not OEM Japanese because I got them for a really good deal. First thing I'm going to do, jack the car up, and then actually first thing I'm going to do is crack the lug nuts. Then we're going to jack the car up. We can work on getting this side off. Okay. Oh. Speed sensor is this thing right here. So see that thing right there with that wire, and then you follow that wire all the way back into the firewall, and you could see it's like held on with a couple connectors here. We got to undo those, and then I'm going to pull this splash shield off, but it sets up right behind here. So let me go ahead and take this splash shield off so I could show you guys a better understanding of where the connector is. So one of the tools you're going to need for this job is a flathead screwdriver. Actually off, there we go. Okay, tuck that there. And then if you can, so I don't know if you guys could see that. Let me see, yeah. So right here, if you could feel up in the back here, that you follow this wire, sorry for the lighting, but this connector is right here. So you're gonna go ahead and undo that. We're gonna go ahead and undo that wire like so, and our speed sensor is disconnected. Oh, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray some penetrating spray on that 10mm bolt right there, so we can go ahead and proceed to get the whole thing. I'm sure you guys are liking this video. I'm feeling really good making this, guys. I'm feeling fueled up, motivated, and yeah, it really helps me out, guys. Now, and then here's what we're gonna do. We have to be careful here not to snap this thing off because it is plastic. It's very fragile. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take my flathead screwdriver, and I'm just simply gonna like tap behind it to see if first I'm gonna try to wiggle this thing out very, very gently to kind of break it free if I can. Just when I thought the job was gonna be easy, guys, this piece snapped off here. I don't know, guys, we are not looking good at all. Look at that. Yeah, not looking good. I should have just left it where it is, but I'm gonna try to drill some stuff out. I don't know, I'm like running out of options. Guys, this has been, it's a very time consuming, but we have some progress. I want to show you guys right here. If you look at, you could see, you can't fucking see, actually, I'm sorry, you can't see shit, all right, because this is not in the best location, but there's a chunk of freaking plastic, or that rubber I'm trying to get out right now, and I think this will be the end. Literally, the tools I'm using is this drill here, thank God I had that, this baby flathead, and one of these right here, guys, a hammer, just tapping it lightly, working all different angles. I'm also cleaning it out with like WD-40 and brake clean. Look what the cat dragged in, guys. Look at that thing, completely busted off. I was able to get needle nose pliers in there, but holy crap, I thought that that was not going to be a project that I was going to be able to finish, guys. We have a fully clean channel, so I'm going to clean this thing out one more time, hit it with some brake clean. All right, for the true test, let's get this raggedy one out. Guys, this looks OEM, but it's definitely not. Let me get that 10 millimeter like just started. This drill saved my ass, I'm not gonna lie. So let me get everything bolted back on, guys. This is literally reversal removal. We have clamp, like you could see, this goes in right here, that location, and then we're gonna feed this up to the firewall. This goes in right here. Perfect. Let's just get this thing connected in and I'll worry about the wiring afterwards. All right, connected in, that's good. This, just feed it right through here on the side. This wire so it stays in place. All right, guys, and there you have it. I just need to tighten up that 10 millimeter right there. But as you can see, our new wheel speed sensor is all in and connected. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, drop all your love below. So hopefully this fixes the issue. I will update you guys when I go to start the car in a few here. And yeah, be sure you guys like, and remember, never stop wrenching. All right, and for the true test, did the speed sensor fix the lights? Let's go, bro. Let's go, dude. I am so happy right now, guys. You have no idea. Very happy. Guys, if you have an ABS light, VSA light on, be sure to check your speed sensor. It's not that expensive. Don't jump the gun. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Words can't describe how happy I am now. Now I just have that TPMS, but it is what it is. I gotta put new tires on this thing anyways. But I'll see you guys all in the next video. Thank you for checking in, and I'm just super happy. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my day. We'll see you soon. Peace. Next, we need to do something about that alignment though. Look at that thing. Whew.